Hey everyone, back Yui here. I'm Words, yes. That we're keeping this.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm Yui. I'm here today.
What?
Watch my video, Yui ADD Power. Like and subscribe.
Sir.
But today
Sir.
we will be playing.
Sir.
Yui, the true actual bird princess.
Sirs.
Burbs.
Oh shit, you got me. Fuck.
Anyways, back with another G3 Brawl video. It's me versus Baloo. Rock, paper, scissors?
Go. One,
Rock,
two,
paper,
three,
scissors,
shoot.
go.
One,
Rock, paper,
two,
scissors,
three.
go.
Okay. No.
I was really worried that you were gonna say like Rochambeau, but I can't tell you why.
Alright, so I'm running the Burb team. Got Core White Venturi running the Mythic
Well, that's
Venturi.
a lot of milk in there.
Got
Because it's cloudy.
Street Brawl Special Attack Venturi. And Galaxy Venturi with Galaxy Chrome Wings, and that's normal Steel Warrior. I forgot that. Here go, sir.
Okay, I know.
What?
Loud and in charge.
It's like
Woo!
it's like the whip he cracks to get out all the
What?
content, you know?
All right, so I'm gonna be playing Dragonoids or dragons, I guess. So I'm
Dragos!
doing Dragonoid with Flareax.
Birds
And
versus
then I'm
Dragons.
doing the one from this arena with Blazing
Coming to a
Warriors.
theater near you.
And I'm doing the dragon type bonus Dragonoid.
Dragos!
Yeah. Cool. Let me
Oh
get a
wait,
ripcord.
you don't have gate cards either.
Oh shoot! I wasn't ready.
I got
Brief intermission.
half of the this image for my gate cards.
Okay. I'm probably gonna be using one of these gate cards. To be determined.
Well, I mean, it might be better to use two of them.
No.
It's
So-
actually a meta call. It ensures consistency.
These two. I'm gonna be using these two gate cards that I did not just pull out randomly at this moment.
Green, red.
Green, red.
Good
does it
thing you don't
benefit
need
me?
blue.
Does it?
You don't really need blue, so.
Yeah. Okay.
She knew that. Are you questioning his judgment?
Please. You think I... Cool.
Okay.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors goes first? No, I'm kidding.
I'm going Mythic Venturi.
I'll do Dragonoid. I also didn't shuffle, so let me... A little rusty. It's been a while. I don't know.
It's been a month or so.
What's the fun that's a fruity song? It's been so long.
It's been a while.
It's like I know a Zelda song that starts with that. Sir, focus.
Okay.
Going from this ramp.
Three,
3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Oh,
Hey, battle right off the bat.
red, flip, bam.
It's Mia.
Oh, I got my dragon bonus.
Oh. I'm only at 500.
Oh, well, I'm at 900.
Okay, you win
I'll
that.
get dunked on.
Dragonoid!
Yeah!
You hesitated already.
Well, I was gonna say obliterate, and that's not right at all.
Blue eyes.
He could.
Exodia.
Right. Yeah, but dragons.
Baby dragon! Alright. Oh man, this is
Okay.
sticking. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Bakugan
Brawl.
Wow!
Please.
Yay! I win!
Was that set? Is this?
It should be. Yeah, it was.
Dang it! I couldn't get the technicality on that. So sad.
Okay, Street Brawl Venturi.
I did. How do I close this?
You just
With
do.
your hands.
With that one, you need to move the tail out of the way and make the wings go behind it and under it.
And then you put the wings down, and then you push it down.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
And that's how you make spaghetti.
I was just saying random instructions. If it actually helped you.
I did it wrong, but
Is
it should work maybe.
Should.
As long as you didn't break the knife.
Yeah, that's
Sir,
not
are you
bad.
sure about that?
All right. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl. Oh, I had opened, so I didn't break it.
I win!
So I think Blazing Warriors is not helping me at all.
No.
It's just a little cursed there.
It's doing me a little bit of a civil
Right.
disservice.
It's almost like you're using a bug-based...
Put one of your flags.
Oh, yeah. Where are my flags? You took them from me.
They're right there.
It's like break the whole...
Sir, you paid good money for this on Amazon. Don't break it.
I did. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Bakugan, bro. Oh.
Oh, you spun me. Please, Flare Axe. No.
I keep you off. I win.
Dang.
Round 1 goes to the birds.
It's rigged.
How is it rigged? This is your arena.
I rigged it.
Against yourself?
Yeah.
Well, okay
it's
then.
called a handicap. He's just so much better. So
Oh.
Yeah, it's because I'm handicapped.
Okay. I got no response for that. Shuffle your hero cards.
Yeah.
Don't tell him what to do. You didn't even use them.
Use one.
And I won. Okay, but I did shuffle them already, so. Cool.
Whoop.
Alright,
Pleasure doing business with you.
I will start with my Flare Axe Dragonoid.
I will go with Street Brawl Ventry.
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Here we go again.
Oh, but I'm on a gate card. Oh, I opened.
That was like
Oh,
actually really
magnetize. Magnetize. No!
Get dunked on you.
Flare Axe doing its job.
I tried.
Yeah, okay. Let's go with Blazing Warrior next.
I will stick with Street Brawl Ventry.
Why would you do that?
Because.
Okay.
Strategy. 3, 2, 1.
Bakugan
Brawl.
Brawl.
Whoa! Oh, I opened, but I popped off of it.
You pulled the gate card with you.
Whoa!
I magnetized.
Am I magnetized?
You are not. Lift straight up. You are not.
Tilt it forward.
Oh, okay.
so
No,
you-
yeah.
Okay, Galaxy Ventry.
Wow.
What galaxy?
Wow.
I feel like we've done this bit before. What galaxy? What's your favorite galaxy?
The Bird Galaxy.
There's a
I
horse
don't
head
think
nebula.
NASA's discovered that.
Horse Girls?
No way.
3,
You just.
2, 1.
But Bakugan Brawl.
No, I didn't reset this. Oh!
Oh my god.
I would have flipped. I would have flippered.
Doesn't matter, we both have to redo.
I don't know. You're kind of inching your way towards it. Okay.
Nope.
I think because it wasn't flippered, he actually lost.
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1.
Bakugan Brawl.
Oh!
hey.
Oh, we did it!
I'm taking the card with me.
Yeah, you go
Yeah.
for
Hero
the
card.
double
Flip.
bonus.
And
Oh.
I am on blue.
I'm
so,
on green. I'm on green.
See. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So I didn't get my infiltration bonus because I opened up on my own card.
I have my 3 other bird
so
bonus.
I'm at 800.
I win. Now I'm just down to my core.
Wow. Down to the core.
Just-
Down to the wire.
That's so deep. What is Yui at the core of humanity? What is Yui?
You know that
Evanescence
the
starts
little
playing in the
avocados,
distance.
Like the little brown thing of avocados.
The seed?
Yeah, that's what. He's actually just an avocado.
Did you even catch what I said? I
Yeah.
said Evanescence starts playing in the distance.
Yeah. I actually listen to Evanescence when I peel avocados.
Since you talked about avocados, fun avocado fact: the seeds, if you plant them, they're like not genetically the same as their parent. You have to buy.
32.
You have to buy specially
No, this is important.
genetic like modified seeds so that it produces food that tastes good. Because otherwise, it'll produce trash avocados. So
Interesting.
You can't just plant an avocado that you get at the store.
Big avocado.
Good TED Talk.
And this will
Yeah,
start.
9 out of 10, you'll get a bad avocado tree, and that's 5 years of your life wasted.
Good TED Talk.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
Bakugan Brawl. Oh,
Hit him. Yeah. Assert dominance.
Infiltration.
Infantry. Oh. Heyo.
okay. You win that one.
You even like looked at him too. He like stands up on him.
Okay, well, this thing keeps popping off.
Popping on.
Not in a good way. There we go.
Now it's back to core versus core.
Core v core.
I'm dropping.
Armored core. I'm rolling.
3,
3, 2,
1. Bakugan Brawl.
I love this game.
Okay, I'll go from here as well.
Okay. 3,
2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. I win!
Boom!
Do you want to count that? I'll count it.
Easy. Okay.
Flip card.
Okay.
What am I?
That's his special move.
Green. Ooh.
Red.
Ooh, I get my darkest bonus. Or purple bonus.
I'm at 700.
I'm at 1,000.
Okay, you take round 2.
Okay, cool.
Round 3, let's go!
They didn't see my hand. You can edit out my hand, right? In post?
Just put like a bird over it or something.
Yeah.
Bird up!
Like a Naruto smoke thing, you know?
As good as I did that explosion.
Exactly. That's all I ask for.
Exactly. Or just put an explosion.
Hide my cheating. That's all I ask for.
You're what now?
What?
What?
Edit this part out too.
Let's play round 3.
Yeah, so avocados, if you plant the seed, it's actually not genetically the same as their parents.
That part's still in there.
Yeah. It just anytime we need to mute out the conversation, just play that avocado thing.
Avocado!
I don't even know how to riff off that. Man.
Avocados from Mexico.
Yeah. You know, actually, the cartels stopped doing like some drug businesses and started growing avocados. That was the thing.
Oh.
It just
More
makes
TED
more
Talk
money
with
that
Blue.
way. Yeah.
Thank you for the TED Talk.
This is actually like kind of interesting. Like, how much do you know about avocados?
A lot, apparently.
Way more than I would have thought.
And that's because I used to hate avocados. They're pretty good now.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
All right. I will start with Core Drago, and I will drop.
Core Ventry.
3, 2, 1.
Bakugan Brawl.
Stop me with
I
your big
blocked you.
stupid bird head.
Bird up.
All right. 3, 2,
2,
1.
1,
Bakugan
Bakugan
Brawl.
We both failed.
I'm not gonna drop this time.
Honestly, same.
Coward.
Are you dropping?
Opened in my hand. No, I'm not. I'm a coward. 3,
2,
1.
and Bakugan Brawl. Hey! We're both on red.
Okay, flip. Dang.
Hey, Mia.
Oh no.
Yeah,
So,
I heard it.
800.
I don't know. That's crazy.
I'm at 800 as well.
We gotta go again.
Yep, that.
No, you flip another card.
Oh wait. No, I'm not. I'm a liar. Wait, what? You're at 800?
Yeah, I'm at 800.
And red? I'm at 600. Shoot. What was I looking at?
What were you looking at?
I don't know, but I lost.
I win.
Oh, you flipped another card. Am I just making that up?
You're making that up. We always, when it's a tie, you go again.
I mean, that makes more sense. But like...
It's one of the new art to Mia.
Yeah. All right.
Drink Brawl Ventry.
Actually, I'll go core again. 3,
2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Nice.
No, get out of the corner. Get out of the corner. Nope. You win.
That's. I mean, how did he get stuck like that? He wasn't even against anything.
I think there's just enough give on the bottom here that
he like lifted it off.
Yeah. Like, I don't think the bottom was there at all.
I keep breaking this thing every time.
Implications of physics-based gameplay.
Ugh.
Sir, you're putting your flag in too hard.
Ugh.
Make
Okay.
sure it's center.
Yeah, good enough. All right.
Got it?
3,
2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
Ooh, oh, I'm doing
I think
circles. I'm doing circles.
I'm magnetized already.
Me too.
You are not magnetized.
You magnetized.
Sleeping bird.
I'm pretty sure he wasn't actually magnetized, and then you hit it onto it.
No. Okay, what the frick, Ventry?
Let me see.
It's just tired.
There.
Oh.
Let me see.
No, you're gonna yeet my Bakugan.
Maybe a little bit.
Wait, is that another friend coming into the Baku Playhouse? I don't know. What
Well, apparently the
That was gross.
my apartment?
ring was starting to come up. That was the problem.
Oh, I see.
Who was it?
All right.
Howdy,
Well,
Hi guys.
will it end here or?
Hopefully not, because I don't want to lose.
Oh wait, I need my other flag. There.
All right. 3,
3, 2, 1. Bakugan Brawl.
I'm not magnet, or am I?
You are not.
No, I'm not. I'm back heavy. Ah,
Birds win! right. Well, that was an interesting fight.
Yeah, I mean, we opened a bit more than I thought we would.
Than we usually do.
That's pretty great. Pretty
Good game.
great. Yeah. I'm not going to shake your hand, you filthy bird player.
Good game. So, any last comments?
No.
Okay, check out the Brawl playlist, all that good stuff. Links, comments, leave your comments, all that fun stuff. Bye!
I'm an avocado.
Woo!